Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy here. In today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this curly fro. If you are interested in any of the products used, be sure to check those out in the description box below. Both are from Creme of Nature. So basically, I just started off with freshly washed hair. After I was done washing my hair, I proceeded to condition my hair, and the product that I chose was this shrinkage defense curl activator from Creme of Nature. I really love this product just because it really hydrates my hair and it leaves it super soft and shiny. After I was done with the conditioning process, I basically just finger coiled my hair, any sections that I felt were a little bit frizzy or sections that were clumped together. After I was done with that process, I reached for my blow dryer, and I used my blow dryer on high air, low heat, and I basically blow dried my hair for, I would say, anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes, maybe a little more, but about there. I don't have a diffuser, so I basically used I just made do with my hands. Like, these are magic fingers, girl. Yeah, so that is what I did. As you guys could see here, super easy. And typically I just allow my hair to air dry. I feel like I could have achieved this style had I just air dried my hair, but because I wanted to film this video for you guys and I wanted my hair to be dry like ASAP, I decided to reach for my blow dryer. After I was done drying my hair, and at this point, side note, my hair was about, I would say, 75 to 80% dry. I proceeded to lift the roots of my hair with my hair pick and my fingers. Any of my curls that started to frizz up, I just basically recoiled those with my fingers, as you all can see here. And that is pretty much it. Super simple, super easy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. Sweet, simple, and to the point. If you guys like it, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.